everyone, how's it going? My name is Kaushal and you're watching TechWhoop. So today we are going to talk about how you can edit your voice like a pro. If you want to create very decent YouTube videos or you want to give voiceovers, documentaries, commentaries, whatever it is that you want to do, you really need to make sure that your audio quality is as good as it should be or it could be. So in this video, I'm going to show you a couple of tricks that you should start using today to make sure that your voice sounds as professional and as rich as possible. So it is actually very simple to do so, and basically you don't need any professional tools, softwares or any paid or high-end equipments. It is actually possible through your phone or even through a simple microphone which I'm recording right now. This microphone is Boya M1. It barely costed me like 1000 rupees. If you want a detailed review on this microphone, let me know in the comments. But even if you don't have a microphone, it's totally okay. You can even record this video on your phone as well. So if you are going to record this audio on your phone, then you have to download this application called RecForge 2. I'll link it in the description. You can take it from there. And this is how the interface looks like. Over here, first of all, before you start recording, there is this icon over here at the top. Press on this and make sure that the option of noise suppressor is ticked. This is the most important because that will enhance the quality of your microphone to a lot of extent. And another thing that you have to make sure is while recording audio on your microphone, make sure that you do not hold your phone like this. Because when you're speaking, like the air from your mouth would also be recorded if you directly do it. So the mics on our microphone have been built in such a way that they are supposed to be spoken like this. So if you talk like this, you would still be close to your microphone, but the air that's coming out of your mouth would just go right ahead and it won't be recorded in the mic. So this is one of the brilliant way to record. So just imagine you're talking on the phone with someone and just record your audio like that if you're recording it on your phone. But in case if you're using this mic like me, you don't even need your phone. You can just directly connect this mic via a USB sound card of review which I have made over here. It's just of 240 rupees. If you can afford to get it, you should definitely use this. Use this card and directly record your audio inside the software called Audacity Pro. So as you can see over here on the screen, as I'm speaking, the audio is actually getting recorded as we speak. So this is how audio has been recorded, and in the post-production, I'll show you a couple of simple tricks through which you can enhance the quality of your audio. So the first thing that you have to do is open the Audacity software. So when you're done recording on your Audacity software, you can see your entire track present over here. As you can see, whenever you have paused, there is blank space somewhere. It might have minimal vibrations over there which are not actually visible unless you actually zoom into it, but it is over there. But where you see the blank part, that is basically the empty section where you're not speaking. And if you are in a noisy surrounding or even if you're in a silent surrounding, there is still some amount of noise which is present, which is because of the air. So we have to remove as much as noise as possible. So it should only be like either you are speaking or it is completely empty. That's it. That's what we want. So in order to do that, we have to make the software recognize which all parts of the recording are actually noise and which are not. So what you have to do is just select at least like a couple of seconds of your recording where you are not speaking at all. So the empty section, just choose that, and after that click on the effect tab and then click on noise reduction. Over here now you don't have to apply, you have to make the software recognize it. So over here, instead of pressing OK, you will press the button of get noise profile. So over here it will basically just recognize what part is the noise. After that, press Ctrl A, select the entire track and again go to effect, and over here you will click repeat noise reduction. So whatever the part that we selected, that was the noise, and now it will be reduced throughout the entire track. So similar sounds would automatically be reduced throughout your entire track. And once you click on apply, you can see that the bar is now much more lowered. It's just a very thin line. That means a lot of noise has been reduced already. If you want to stop over here, that is also fine. It will still give you a great audio quality compared to what it was naturally recorded. But if you want to even take it to another higher level, there are a couple of more options as well. So the first one is called the option called filter curve. Go to effects, choose the filter curve. Over here in the under the manage section, choose one of the presets, and the preset is called bass boost. So that will just make your voice sound little more richer, to be honest. Audio a little more richer with this bass boost. You don't need to tweak with the settings if you're unfamiliar with it. Just press on OK. The preset is as good as it can be. And once that is done, now the only thing that remains is adding a little bit of reverb. Now reverb is something which basically extends your voice. So make sure that you do not get confused between reverb and echo. Echo basically repeats your voice and reverb just extends it so that it sounds like you're in a hollow room or something. Now in the reverb section, I'll just change the delay to 0 because I don't like any delay in my audio. It can be totally your preference. You can click on the preview button and see whatever that works for you. And the room size, I'll reduce it to about 50. 50 is, I think, is the most ideal size that you should keep. And just press preview, listen to it one time and then just apply. That's it. And that's all you have to do. After that, you can just go to file, click on export and export as MP3. As simple as that. Your professional sounding audio file is ready now. Yes. So that is how you edit your voice like a pro on your system. But what if you don't have access to such a system and you're just doing everything on your phone? That is also possible. But in that case, you have to use this application called Lexis Audio Editor. Yes, install this application. It has almost all the similar options as we had in our Audacity software. You literally have to repeat the same thing. Add noise reduction, add filter curve or equalization, and finally add reverb. That's it. So that was all for my quick video on how you can edit your voice like a pro. Let me know in the comments if you have any other tips which I have not included in my video, or if you actually found it helpful or not. Now smash that dislike button if you did not like this video, and in case if you actually liked it, you know what to do. So thank you guys for watching. My name is Kaushal. Peace out.
That's good.